In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Pixel Gun 3D promo code. So this is the game right here, and it's a block game. So let's say you want to get some promo codes, so like once you download the game for the first time, you can get some additional stuff, so that it can be easy for you to level up and stuff. So now how do you get promo codes? Pixel 3D promo code. Okay. So once that is done, you're gonna click on the first link here, and then you'll see this first link which says GG Reckon August 2023. So for this month. So now let's say I want to find out the new codes. So I'm gonna click on the first link, and the codes will pop up right here. So of August, there are 3 codes. So these are the codes on the left hand side, and on the right hand side it shows you the reward. So if you use the second code, you're gonna get 50 coins, 750 keys, 100 gems, and 600 pass tickets. So let's say you're a new player, and if you use this code, you're gonna get these perks. So it's gonna make easy. It's gonna be easy for you to level up and stuff for the first time. So you can use all these 3 codes in the game, and you're gonna get rewarded by this stuff. There are many other websites you can go and check out. So let's say you've used these codes and you want to go check a few more. You can go to different websites. So as you guys can see, they're the same 3 codes here as well, because these 3 codes are only working for August and the other ones are expired. So that's how you get codes for Pixel Gun 3D. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.